Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on your iPhone. Since Dota 2 is not natively available on iOS, you will need to use cloud gaming services. This method allows you to stream the game directly to your device. A strong and stable internet connection, preferably 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is absolutely essential for a smooth experience. Consider pairing a compatible Bluetooth controller for much better control. Several cloud gaming services enable you to play Dota 2 on your iPhone. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a popular choice, offering a premium tier for superior graphics and extended play sessions. Alternatively, Steam Link allows you to stream the game directly from your own computer. Always verify that your selected service fully supports Dota 2 and is compatible with iOS devices for the best experience. To get started, download your preferred cloud gaming application from the Apple App Store. Once installed, log in using your existing gaming account credentials. For a significantly better gameplay experience, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller with your iPhone. Finally, take some time to adjust the in-app settings to optimize streaming quality and overall performance for your specific network conditions. For the best possible experience, play Dota 2 in an area with minimal network interference. Close all unnecessary background applications on your iPhone to free up valuable system resources. Experiment with various controller layouts to discover what feels most comfortable and effective for you. Be aware that some input lag might occur due to streaming, so adapting your playstyle slightly can be beneficial.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.